So you just received your Nakto fashion model e-bike. The first thing you're going to want to do is unbox it and unwrap all the packing materials, and it should look like this. You have your frame, user's manual, toolkit including crescent and hex wrenches, seat, pedals, and charging unit. Simply unfold the frame, lift the quick release latch, close the hinge, and lock down the latch. Now let's attach the handlebars. Lift the latch release on the handlebar neck and open the handlebar stem. Insert the base of the handlebar stem into the neck of the bike frame. Align the handlebars with the forks and tighten the handlebar stem bolt with the hex wrench. And then lock the handlebar stem quick release latch. Tighten the headlight screw with a Phillips head screwdriver. This unit has the YH39X folding pedals. You'll notice that there's an L and an R for left and right. Simply screw the pedals into the pedal arms and tighten with the crescent wrench. To fold the pedals, push and lift. Insert the seat post into the frame and tighten the latch. Next, let's look at the battery. Engage the quick release under the seat. Insert the key into the battery. While pushing, turn the key all the way to the left. The battery is now unlocked and you can remove it. Align the slot to reinsert the battery. Push down until it sits flush against the bottom of the housing. Now, turn the key to the right to power up the battery. You'll see the power indicator on the handlebars light up. Press the red button to turn off and on the pedal assist. The right handle grip is your throttle. Here's your rear brake, horn, light, and front brake. Now you're all set to go, but let's talk about charging your battery. Plug the charger into the battery body here. You'll see a red light go on the charger. A full charge will take between 4 to 6 hours. When you see the green light, you are fully charged. Although, you will need to leave it charging for 1 additional hour before use. However, it is okay to leave it charging overnight. If you have any additional questions, use the scan code to access our website. Okay, you guys, have fun!